Hey y'all, welcome to Humming Catfish. Today we're going to be making a double extracted turkey tail tincture. That is a mouthful. So grab your turkey tail, get your favorite sin water, and let's go. Now I don't know if y'all can tell, I'm pretty obsessed with the Trametes versicolor, the mighty turkey tail. After drinking the tea daily, I started looking into some other benefits of it and found out that only some of the benefits of the turkey tail is extracted through water. The rest needs to be extracted through alcohol, a vinegar, or a glycerin. I'm going to be using alcohol. Not only is it shelf stable, it's easier to absorb from your GI tract into your bloodstream, kind of making it a more instant, hopefully, end result. I won't go into all the benefits of turkey tail mushrooms here. I am going to link a video here to the turkey tail mushroom tea. I go over some of the benefits. Again, not all of it is scientifically backed, which I don't really think means anything anymore. So, enough with that. Some of the things you're going to want to get today is, of course, your turkey tail, the beautiful Trametes versicolor, a little cleaning brush for it, some scissors, chop them up, a jar, piece of parchment paper, and a lid. The alcohol, you want something that is between 70 and 95% proof. This is 95% proof. Vodka, I believe, is around 80% proof, so that'll work too. I just picked Everclear. And you'll want to decide if you want to just chop up your turkey tail or shred them up. I'm going to be shredding mine, that way we have more surface area that's soaking in the alcohol. How this will go is that we're going to be taking the turkey tail, soaking it in alcohol for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking it daily. At the end of that time, we're going to be draining it. And then you take that leftover matter, it's called the marc, and you're going to put it into water. And then that will extract the rest of the beneficial properties. So let's get started. All right, first thing I'm going to be doing is cleaning these babies up. Just going to use the brush, get them brushed off, trim the ends where it meets the wood, and I'm just going to get them kind of prepared to chop. Alright, I got them all cleaned up, so I'm going to put them in the little grinder. Let's get a different angle. I'm just going to tear these into pieces and put them in my little grinder. Alright, you can see it kind of shredded it up. So what I'm going to be doing is, as I get each part finished, I am going to pour them into this little mason jar. We got a little less than half a cup, so I am going to fill this the rest of the way up with the Everclear. Now take a piece of parchment paper and then put your lid, got the cap and the lid. Alright, you can see it's floating in there now. As time goes on, it's going to sink, but you want to put this in a dark place and shake it once a day for 4 to 6 weeks. Now, we don't have to wait that long because I actually did one on December 27th. So, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, this is going to be good. So, and as you can see, it's I don't know, it's just kind of amazing. You can see how this is much more kind of a, I don't know, thicker. So that's where this one's gonna get. So what we are going to do now, since we can move right on to the next step, is this one that has been in a dark place for about 6 weeks, shaken every day. We're gonna drain this into a container. I'm gonna put one of my flour sacks over this and just secure it with the rubber band. I'm so excited about this. Alright, so do not throw this away. What we're gonna do is we're gonna squeeze this. What we have left in here. This is called the mark. Ooh, the fumes, don't let them match. Oh my God. All right, so we're gonna put this into some water. We have about 4 cups of the alcohol extracted turkey tail. Now we wanna match that with the water that we're doing. So I have the turkey tail that was in the alcohol in this pot. I'm gonna add a gallon of water and I'm gonna simmer it, just barely a boil, until it boils down to about 4 cups, because we need 4 cups to match the 4 cups. All right, that was about an hour, cooked down pretty nice. So I'm gonna turn off the heat and let it cool down a little bit before we start messing with it. I switched the turkey tail infused alcohol into just a bigger glass bottle so that I can have the measuring cup ready for the tea. So I did the same thing, just put the same cloth over it with the rubber band, and then I'm gonna strain that in there and get about 3.5 cups is what I figured out was the exact measurement. This is cooled down to room temperature, so I'm going to add it to the alcohol. Just going to give it a little shake. I'm so excited about this. Now make sure that you store this somewhere that it's not going to get a lot of sun. I've heard that can degrade it. If you want, you can decant them into little bottles. That's what I'm going to be doing. As far as dosage goes, make sure that you read up on how much you should take of your own mixture. I'm going to be doing a dropper full twice a day. And then after a month, I will check, and adjust it. But yeah, just like that, under the tongue. And I already ruined the label. Well, that's all I got for y'all today. I really appreciate you watching this video. And if you like what I'm doing, I surely would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. So until next time, I'll see y'all later.